Okay, let's add a template. It's simple. Did I create a branch? Feature your name slash. Okay. Okay. We're in that branch. Let's go. Let's see some of the uh, folders. That looks nice. Sign up. Oh wow. Just HTML and CSS. Wow. But he didn't follow the screenshot. It should have a screenshot as well. Some people don't even have that. Okay. Wow. This is so cool. Mm, let's see. Okay. You know what? In the direction. I mean, and I'll just follow this, guys. Copy that basically. I don't know if this one would work, but let's say, hey. So it says your name dot ping as template and action. This name should exactly match your folder's name. Folder. Okay. Okay. Great. Let's see if you can actually see this part. Create a folder um, called which has both a nice looking login page and sign up page. Um, Also, I need a screenshot um, of the login page with the with the file name as and then .png. See what happens. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, we can use Sonnet Claude. Let's create a short to-do list for the work and then add the folder and files. See what it does. Cross that out. See over here. Should exist somewhere over here. All right, there you go. It's creating it. Let's see. All right, cool. As an index.html, signup.html, as style.css, script.js. So it's doing this. Now I'll add. Okay, I'll read what it says. I'll first create a short to-do list for the work, and then add the folder and files, login and plus signup pages, styles, script, and a Python script to generate the ping. Oh wow. After that, I'll set up a Python environment, install Pillow, and run this script to produce. Even expect progress updates after the file creation patch and after the image generation. I'll write the to-do list now. So now I'll add the folder and files for the login and sign up, expected outcome, new directory, and files created. So I created all this. Right now it's configuring a Python environment. This is crazy. The the recommended option is to create a new Python environment, providing the benefit of isolating packages from other environments. Optionally, you could select an existing Python environment. We're using a okay virtual environment. Select an environment name, virtual environment, and select an interpreter. We'll use a 3.112. Select dependencies. Uh, I don't know what I did, but I just pressed OK. Creating environment, show logs, creating a virtual environment. See what it does. So, I think that was optional. I didn't want it to create a script for using Pillow and then start creating a screenshot of the PNG. But right now you can see this environment. Install a Pillow and yeah, .py generate screenshot. .py is the file. Okay, I'm gonna run this command and see what it does. You can see over here it's running these commands here in the terminal as well. Okay, now it says screenshot.py. I think that's just the command. Obviously, I got an error. I'll update the generate screenshot to use text box instead of the remove text size method and run the script. I'll run the script again. It's gonna fail again maybe, but it says progress update created the PNG. Next, I'll make the corresponding to-do items completed and then verify that. Okay, I don't know what is this. I'll move the generated PNG into the folder and confirm it's there expected. Okay, I'll run a PowerShell move command and then list the folder. So it's moving that screenshot within it, so it would create it over here. I'll final to do this. I'll mark the final to do this, and I've added a new folder with a polished login and sign up UI and produce the requested screenshot of that image, remember, of that signed login page, and then named it as my first and last name .png. Below is a concise summary of what I did, what changed, and how to use the file. So created a folder, added the files, has the index.html, which is the login page, nice modern card layout, and then we have a signup.html, which is a sign up page, style.css, which is a shared styling, a glass morphism, neon accent theme, that's nice, and then script.js, small demo handlers to prevent actual form submission, and then we have readme.md, which is a short usage notes, and then we have generate screenshot.py. It's a Python script below that paints a static representation of the login UI and writes this thing, and then generate a screenshot of the login page moved into the folder. Again, files were created at this particular folder, and how I generated the screenshot explaining how it's done. And yeah, I mean, all of that is there. Let's go and see and analyze it. So there's going to be a new folder created somewhere with the name of H. Now over here we have a couple of files, and we have the first thing is the screenshot, and you know it's incredible because I didn't do anything myself. And now let's go into the index.html file, and this is the index.html um, sign in page, and then sign up page. Join us. It only takes a minute. Um, Sign in, and you know you can just provide your information, whatever. Uh, I'm just gonna okay. I sign it. Remember me? It says signed in demo. This page says that. Sign up. Is the forget page? Forget is not working. Sign up. Okay. Let's go and give a email and a password. Okay, let's see. Account created. So I didn't have to do anything and it did everything for me. So yeah, that should be pushed. I guess it should be pushed. I have that. There's some extra things. Now if I like cross this out, open this, you can see over here. I can keep all, so I can just say, okay, previous chat. I'll just say keep. Okay. So now over here we have the README, um, screenshot.py. Okay. And you know, since it's using Pillow, uh, it goes in that particular file. Let's see, where is it? Okay, I think it's just creating it by itself. Creates a static PNG representation of the login page. It, this does not run a headless browser. Instead, it paints the main card using Pillow, so it's reproducible without a browser. Okay, so we have all of that stuff, styling, all that there, and sign up, all that, doc type, HTML, in language English, head, main, center, div, and then we have the body tag, closing. We got the index.html. It's the login. Okay. Okay. And it has a bunch of, div tags and stuff. So we're good with that. Let's go ahead and push the changes. So we're in, if I say git add dot, now git status, the stuff that I added, git commit -m, uh, um, login, sign up, and sign up and login page is for October 2025, and then we have git push. Uh, and of course, it's gonna say upstream origin feature. So we want to push in that feature branch that we created. Just copy that and push it here. And there you go. Let's go to, and now we have to submit a PR, pull request. So you can see over here, I forked that repo, and this branch is up to date. Okay. So if I go to my other branch, this one, so you can see over here that this branch is one commit ahead of this one. So what I would do is I would create a pull request. I would create a pull request on that guy's go. Okay. So I would go to that guy's repo. There you go. So you can see over here, feature branch has recent 2 pages. So create a pull request. Sign up and login pages for Hacktoberfest. I'll just say, and I'll say added the following, and then I'll just put in all that information that was given in the README. Okay, there you go. And then that that's okay, okay. Let's see what happened here. So it said HiresBit wants to merge one commit from into main from that feature. I think that's good. Uh, um, please, and I don't know, prove the following. ER. Okay. Uh, and I can actually edit as well for 2025. Okay, one other thing is like you get this PR, um, and I was in the issues page. So this was my issue. Hi, I made the changes, and then I say kindly review and approve them. Review and approve them for the, and then I'll put in the text. All right, and then I just gave that link, and then I think we're good. We need one more. That was a problem, so I'm still looking for another one. I don't know if that guy doesn't accept 24, 25. Then we need like um, two more. So I'll show you one thing which is interesting is that in the live stream that I did earlier, we had like some contributions that we were doing. So you can see over in review, we have like four. All the way down, scroll, you can see these four are being under reviewed, whereas these ones were not included, the ones that we added FizzBuzz. So these are four, and then one added there, and then we try to add one more. I don't know, this one seems to be legit. That's last week. Nothing seems to be updated. So let's go and see other things. See this one. You gotta make sure you find updated 7 days, updated 13 days. Let's see, updated yesterday. Updated 6 hours ago. Let's see about this guy. Okay. So this one is, I don't know if this one's gonna work. That's the question. But let's see about this one. What is this? Alright, go with the first one. Fork that one. New updates. Alright. Alright. Okay, okay, okay. And then go here, copy that, bring it here in the terminal, exit out one here, and we say, okay. Okay, I think, did we mess up again? Where are we? Oh, no, no, where go? So over here, yeah, let's go to this one. Okay, and then let's see this in, so what's all of this info? Let's go and check it out. So yeah, going here, and let's see. Let's go to README. README, README. You know what? I think I should like just remove that thing out. See, edit. Can we do it on the fly? Yeah, just remove that. Change. Oh, so if you want, I mean, I don't want any, but okay. So let's go into, I don't know. I cloned it. I cloned it. I think so. Yeah. So it's this one. Go to README. README. Where are you? There you go. Sometimes it doesn't look good, so you can use this button. Okay. So how to make a pull request? Okay. Clone the repo. Go inside. Add upstream. Check out your branch. Um, okay, so there's no such like add addition, like whatever you want to do is just add it. Okay, so I'll just create a, I'll create a branch. Let's check the branch right now. It's main, right? So we'll say okay. Um, git branch or git. Let's say git checkout hyphen b. I'll say feature slash. I'll just put your name, okay? And then you can verify that you switched to the branch. Okay, and then you can also now, like suppose I'm in Java. Now we got some really nice, cool pieces of code. I don't know. I want to, what a classical formula this used to be. Towers of Hanoi. Oh yeah, public class. And just move this one from. And there's a classic recursion scanner, new scanner, enter the number of disk, and then print the number of disks. And then it used to go A, B, and C, and then remember it used to go inside here. Now the thing is, if I want to suppose get a random, let's go with Joan. It's been some time. All right, so let's use Copilot here. Okay, I want to say within the Java folder, I want to add a simple Java program. Okay, which college level students normally do to learn programming. Okay, and it teaches a nice concept. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. Now it says enable Claude. Okay, um, I'll help you create a simple but educational Java program that demonstrates inheritance and polymorphism through a practical example of shape hierarchy. It's a common example used in college level programming courses to teach pro. Yeah, remember that shape hierarchy we used to have? So we have abstract classes, inheritance, polymorphism, and method overriding. Each class, shape class, or implements its own version of calculate area. Okay, did it create it? Okay, it's right here. Keep it. See what this is. Nice. Well, that's all good. Let's go ahead and get at it. Get statuses and get commit. Have an M added, and then we say shape calculator. We can get all of it actually. Calculator.java for the Hacktober 2025. All right. So one other thing is, man, it's always gonna say upstream. Okay. So now that it's updated, let's go to that particular link. You can see over here, pushed 4 seconds ago, and that's the thing we gotta make sure. So head repository, again, it's a feature branch. It should be pushed to the main branch. I mean, he doesn't have any other branch. He has a Copilot one, but I don't want to do that one. And then just, I'll say, alright, so let me say, wait a minute. Let's see. Fill this up with the changes I made. Alright, it has no clue. Alright, this one would have. Up with the changes I made. Don't generate any file. Alright, see. Alright, what the hell? All you had to do was name that. I could do it myself now. Please enter your name so we can. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and pull it. And then there's a checklist, and you can just check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. And then once it approves, then we're good to go basically. But it's right now, there's no label on it or anything. The person has to do that, and then it should work. Okay, there's one more. Um, People are pushing stuff. So why not we'll give it a try because we did 6. No, we want to be safe. So, okay. And then we'll just fork this one. And this should be our last one. So, forked it. Now, let's create a version within our system. Okay. Git clone. And then paste that. It's going to be somewhere over here. Um, okay, it's this one. CD. This one. Now go here, open with code. See what happens here. Okay, there's another Python scripts, random stuff. Let's go ahead and just see the README 1 second. Um, okay, let me go ahead and see this. Okay, it's just another option. Let's see. See clear. All right. So I'm gonna go inside and say, okay, let's see. Okay. Um, Git checkout B feature. Okay. It's gonna create the branch and it's gonna switch inside. After that, what we're gonna do is we can add some of the material. Okay, contributing.md. There's something in here. Contributing.md. There you go. Okay, there's a lot. Contributing.md 12. Why do people? Okay, this is the one that we need to target. So just copy whatever they're doing and then paste it right here. Okay. Okay, and then replace the first thing with your name. And then place over here, you can add. Okay, so I'm gonna write, okay, my location. And then, yeah, whatever that bio is, I'll just say, okay. And then GitHub, you can just say, okay, give the username. You know, that's the text, and this is the link, so it should take you to this link. Okay, we're good with the contribution one. Now let's go back to the README again. Uh, Add a profile page. Add a profile page. Add your name to the profiles directory. Use your combination of content and mark it on you like here's an example. Why, man? Profiles directory. See, where's the profiles? Profiles. Okay. Look at everyone's profiles are like this. So you can see over here. Okay, we'll just have to copy some of the format and just. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a new one. Let's see. Underscore dot md. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna have someone just like how you would have someone's like that. Copy this one and paste it here. You just replace the values with what you have. Um, okay. Uh, Graduate in BS software engineering. I'll just say that. All right. And all that. Then after that we have projects. Okay. Okay. You have to give one project too. Why is this so much controversy? All right, so after that we have just give it your username and then just find a project that you want to showcase. I'll say, okay, what is this? No, I'll say this one. All right, so we'll just give this one. File sharing system. Oh, MCP server with document intelligence. in Claude Anthropic. Okay, in Claude. Okay, and then we have this one. And then we also have this. Okay, I think we're good with that. We're done with this contribution file. And that's a good preview of it. So now that we are done with that, go to this. Um, okay, just create hello world script. Create a hello world username. Script to the scripts. Okay, in the language of your choice. Here's an example. Hello world script in the what scripts folder. Random, bro. Random. So hello underscore world underscore Java. I'm doing Java these days, so I'm um just gonna make sure that I have that author. Okay, and this is the username. Okay, and then we have hello. The name should be matching. So public class, and then you have Harris here. Okay, and then the string, and then I think that's perfect. Okay, let's cross that out, cross this out. Um, okay, after that, you wanna Python scripts tools binary search.p. I, algorithms. I don't know Java solutions. I'll say fizzbuzz.py. Okay, write me a fizzbuzz.py in the what? In the Python folder. See what happens. It should generate. Select the language. And once it's done, I'll just commit it. And that's the thing we have to do. Okay, we're done with that. See all the git add, git commit, added contributions for, and then we just put in the reason, um, and then git push. And of course, I'm gonna have to keep doing this thing. And then go here to this. Okay, 1 minute. So, um, yeah, you can see this one. Compare and pull. It's from this one, feature branch, and it wants to go to the master. And yeah, solution, problem, solution. Uh, I'll just say fill this for me. It's for the PR in GitHub. Okay, let's see what it does. All right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, the pull request template. Okay, I need it in Markdown. Okay, so there you go. Copy once it's done. Paste it here. Okay, there you go. That's the last one. And then the green should happen over here. Some checks haven't completed yet. Let's see what happens. Pull request successfully merged and closed. What? It merged by itself? He has some kind of automation bot. It's not him, 100%. He just merged it inside of his own system. If that does, that means it should be reflected here too. Yeah, it doesn't show right now. Okay, there's a sign up page. Not accepted. Okay, it's not accepted yet. So that one shows that's a good thing over here. There no so it's not accepted by the maintainer of the repository to be accepted. A maintainer either needs to be merge your PR, add the Hacktoberfest label, or leave the overall approving review. So this is going to take some time, but hopefully this did help you guys out.